Unlocking the TOEFL Test, an insider's guide. Hello learners! Welcome to a new exciting video where we delve into the structure and format of the TOEFL test. If you're planning to take this test soon or just want to know more about it, you're in the right place. Today, we'll unravel the mystery of the TOEFL test format to help you better prepare and gain confidence. TOEFL, or the Test of English as a Foreign Language, is an important test for non-native English speakers. Educational institutions, especially in the United States, use TOEFL scores to assess your English language proficiency. This test evaluates your ability to use and understand English in an academic setting. The TOEFL test format consists of 4 sections: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Let's dive into each section. Subsection 2.1, Reading Section. The reading section lasts 60 to 80 minutes. It contains 3 to 4 passages, each with 12 to 14 questions, testing your comprehension of written English and your ability to understand how information and ideas are presented in a written format. Subsection 2.2, Listening Section. Next comes the listening section, which also lasts between 60 to 90 minutes. It includes 4 to 6 lectures, each with 6 questions, and 2 to 3 conversations, each with 5 questions. The focus here is on understanding spoken English in an academic context. Subsection 2.3, Speaking Section. The speaking section is shorter, at about 20 minutes. It includes 6 tasks, 2 independent and 4 integrated. Your ability to express your thoughts verbally in English is tested here. Subsection 2.4, Writing Section. Finally, the writing section, lasting 50 minutes, consists of 2 tasks, 1 integrated and 1 independent. This section tests your ability to write in English in an academic setting. Understanding the test format is the first step. Now, how do you prepare for it? Develop a study plan. Consistency is key. Make a daily or weekly schedule and stick to it. Focus on your weak areas. If you struggle with listening skills, dedicate extra time to improve in this area. Practice with sample tests. They will help you understand the test format and get used to the types of questions asked. And that's the end of our comprehensive guide to the TOEFL test format. Remember, knowing what to expect will take you one step closer to success. With the right preparation and understanding of the TOEFL structure, you can confidently tackle the test and achieve your target score. Keep practicing, and stay positive. Your TOEFL success is within reach.